You can still buy your winner take all. Moving forward now, Royal Jewels. Now inside, anytime now, race number 4, Mayor Junio C. Duwalan Trophy Race. And the race on, they leap in unison away from the gate. The favorite, Royal Jewels from the outside, rushing up is entry number 2, Bruno Scott. Angat ang Pinoy Donori inside, fourth for Michika Purple Ribbon. Amazing Mix is running at the tail of the field by about 4 to 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, the favorite Royal Jewels by a length and a half, followed by Angat ang Pinoy, Bruno Scott, and Michika Donori inside is Purple Ribbon. Amazing Mix. And rounding the far turn, Royal Jewels, this time by about 2 lengths. Rushing up on the outside, Angat ang Pinoy, Michika in between runners. Bruno Scott, Purple Ribbon remains in fifth. Amazing Mix as they race the final corner. Royal Jewels back to 2 lengths lead. Michika in second, Bruno Scott, Purple Ribbon, Angat ang Pinoy. Amazing Mix still bring up the rear and hitting the finish line. Royal Jewels coming home in a scintillating run and finish the game for this Mayor Junio C. Duwalan Trophy Race. Second, Michika, Purple Ribbon, Angat ang Pinoy, Bruno Scott, Amazing Mix, completing the cast of this race.
6-4-1-5-2-3, unofficial order of arrival. Top choice number 6 from start to finish, Royal Jewels, crossing the wire first with Dominador H. Borbet Jr. Daily doubles.